Mastering the phrase, doesn't miss a beat. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression that you might have heard in conversations, movies, or songs. Doesn't miss a beat. This phrase is not only popular but also packs a punch in delivering a specific meaning. If you're curious to find out what it means and how to use it effectively in your English conversations, you're in the right place. So, let's not miss a beat and get started. Doesn't miss a beat is an idiomatic expression that originally comes from the world of music. In music, staying on beat is crucial for the harmony and rhythm of the piece. Similarly, when we say someone doesn't miss a beat, we are usually referring to their ability to maintain consistency, stay alert, and respond or act without hesitation in various situations. This phrase can be used in several contexts. 1. Competence and skill, describing someone's ability to perform their duties efficiently and effectively without making mistakes. For example, despite the complex problems that arose during the project, Maria didn't miss a beat. 2. Quick reaction, highlighting someone's ability to react quickly to situations without any delay. Even when the questions got tougher, the candidate didn't miss a beat. 3. Keeping up with changes, when someone adapts to changes smoothly and continues their activities without any interruption. The company didn't miss a beat, even after the sudden departure of its CEO. To help you better understand how to use this phrase, let's look at a few sentences. After dropping her notes, she picked them up and didn't miss a beat in her presentation. He was so well prepared that he didn't miss a beat when the topic changed unexpectedly during the debate. Even after years away from the game, the player returned to the court and didn't miss a beat. 1. Associate with music. Remember its musical origins. Think of maintaining rhythm in a song, which can help you recall the essence of not missing a beat in other contexts. 2. Practice with examples. Try to create your own sentences using this phrase or identify situations in your daily life where someone doesn't miss a beat, to reinforce its meaning and usage. 3. Use it in conversations. The best way to remember and understand idiomatic expressions is by using them in your spoken or written English. Don't hesitate to use doesn't miss a beat when the situation fits. And that's a wrap on doesn't miss a beat. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing expression, making it easier for you to use it confidently in your English conversations. Remember, idiomatic expressions like this one can add color and depth to your language skills, so don't shy away from incorporating them into your vocabulary. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more English language tips. See you in the next video.